Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix the volume problem on your HMD Arc. First, adjust media and call volume by opening the settings. In settings, scroll down until you see sound and vibration. Make sure media and call volume are turned all the way to the right like mine, which are on max volume. After adjusting them, ensure that Do Not Disturb and Sound and Vibration is disabled. This is important because it can mute all notifications. You can add exceptions for people and apps, but sometimes they can still be muted and not work as intended. Disable Do Not Disturb mode so you can get notifications from apps. If that doesn't change anything, you can turn it back on. After disabling it, clean your speaker or headphone port. Depending on your issue, clean the speaker grill or the headphone port. Clean both if you have issues with wired headphones or the phone speaker. After cleaning, restart the phone by holding the power button. Tap on Restart and wait for it to finish. After the restart, update your software to fix any audio glitches by opening Settings. Scroll down to System and tap on System Update. It will load, and you can double-check by clicking the Check for Update button. If your system isn't up to date, I recommend updating to remove old glitches. As a final resort, go to Reset Options and tap on Erase All Data. This will delete everything from your device and clear internal storage, including photos, apps, documents, and emails. Make sure to back everything up before doing it using the backup option. Enable backup and it'll be done. That's what you can do to fix your low volume problem. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.